can see that there are a lot of birds. Too many of them. I wish I could talk to one of them because they are so adorable. It is great to live in the countryside where you can enjoy the fresh air, the great climate, the stunning view, and especially the wild animals, and these are one of them. It's great, isn't it? Oh, I wish there would be more of them, more and more. Actually, they are going away and away. Come back. Come on.